Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle to achieve financial stability? Could the numbers hidden in your date of birth reveal the secret to financial success? Today, you'll discover how numerology can help you unlock your financial code and harness the power of numbers to guide your path to abundance. This is not magic. It's a profound tool for self-discovery. Stay until the end to learn how to calculate your personal financial code and activate your hidden potential for success. Numerology is based on the idea that numbers carry unique vibrations that influence our lives. Your date of birth is not just a random set of numbers. It's a key to unlocking your true purpose, including your financial prosperity. Imagine that every digit in your date of birth is a note, and your life journey is the melody. By deciphering this code, you can find harmony and discover how to attract financial abundance. Let's begin by calculating your primary financial code number. Add all the digits of your birth date. For example, if you were born on July 15, 1990, add 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0 equals 32. Then reduce the result to a single digit. 3 plus 2 equals 5. The resulting number 5 is your primary number. Each number holds a unique message. Here's what these numbers mean. 1. Leadership, initiative, and independence. You're made for business and management. 2. A team player who thrives through partnerships. 3. Creativity and communication. Your wealth is tied to self-expression. 4. Hard work and stability. Your success is built on a strong foundation. 5. Freedom, change, and adventure. Money flows through flexibility and risk-taking. 6. Responsibility and harmony. You attract wealth by helping others. 7. Intuition and deep knowledge. Success comes in intellectual fields. 8. Power and ambition. This number is directly linked to wealth. 9. Compassion and global missions. Money comes when working for a greater cause. To better understand how your number influences your financial path, let's look at an example. If your financial code is 8, it means you're destined for ambitious projects. Wealth and authority come naturally to you if you believe in yourself and take risks. If your number is 4, your path to wealth requires patience and persistence. Now that you know your primary number, it's important to consider another aspect. The power of your numbers can be amplified or diminished depending on your energy. For example, if you feel fear or insecurity, your number cannot fully manifest its potential. How can you activate the power of your number? The first step is awareness. Start noticing how your number appears in your life. If you have the number 3, observe if creativity brings you success. If it's 2, ask yourself, am I building good relationships? The second step is visualization. Imagine your number surrounding you with light. If your number is 7, visualize yourself immersed in knowledge that leads to success. The third step is action. Each number has its own behavioral recommendations. For number 5, it's taking risks and exploring new ventures. For number 6, it's helping others. Let's recap how to calculate your financial code. It's simple. Sum up the digits of your date of birth until you get a single-digit number. This code is your guide to wealth. Also, pay attention to life cycles. Numerology suggests that each year carries its own vibration. To determine the vibration of the current year, add the digits of the year and your birth date. For example, for 2024, 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 equals 8. If you were born on July 15th, add 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 equals 21. Then reduce to 2 plus 1 equals 3. This year's number reveals where to focus your energy. If your year number is 3, it's a time to be creative. If it's 8, concentrate on business ventures. Now imagine how this knowledge can change your life. You'll no longer act blindly. You'll understand your strengths and use them to attract wealth. It's like having a map that guides you on the road to abundance. You don't just believe, you know what you're doing. If you want to go deeper, apply this knowledge in your daily life. Write down your financial goals and align them with your number. Many people report positive changes after calculating their code. They say money flows more easily and decisions become more intentional. Trust in the power of numbers and in your own potential. Numerology is not magic. It's a tool that guides you. Now it's your turn. Calculate your financial code and start following its advice. You'll see how your efforts begin to pay off. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and comment your financial code below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If we reach 5,000 likes, I'll post a new video explaining how to uncover even deeper insights into your financial potential through numerology.